green juice recipe. I'm telling you, this green juice is medicine for your body, baby. Can you dig it? I'm drinking a lemon ginger blast right now. And I've got the clean, green. Keep you clean inside. When you're green inside, you're clean inside. Can you dig it? I got a bundle of dill. Beautiful. With the roots. Can you dig it? I got a bundle of cilantro with the roots. Can you dig it? I got a giant cucumber, a fat lemon, and a nice fat stack of kale. Can you dig it? I'm also going to be cutting it with coconut water, okay? And I don't have any jars cleaned, do I? So we might want to get on point, sonny boy. Maybe I should start over. Screw it. Clean. Clean. Oh, and not that clean. But cool. Cucumber. That'll make your skin beautiful. It'll keep you hydrated. I'm telling you, these green juices are what it's about, baby. Next level cleanup crew. Just vegetables in general. I watched an amazing video, and they were talking about all the health advocates of the last, 100 years or so. And, it was the vegetables, the people that ate the most amount of vegetables. It shouldn't be that much of a surprise, because I was just saying on the last video, the fruitarians are like, vegetables, oh, lower level. And the carnivores are like, ooh, vegetables, lower level. But the thing about vegetables is that they've got a lot of fiber and water and vitamins and minerals, but they're lower in calories. And that is basically that's what basically ends up being the understanding. The more you eat, the faster you die. Because eating is hard on the fine tissues of the body. That's a controversial thing, but not to someone like me, who does water fasting and things like that. And it's like, oh my God. When you don't eat, you feel like, oh my God, I feel amazing. Because it's always metabolic residue left over from eating. And especially the food that we eat today, in this day and age, if you can get really good, clean, pure, high vibrational foods that match up to the elements in your body, like your body is comprised of earth, water, air, wind, and fire, or whatever, the 5 elements, ether. And if you can get foods that are filled with those, that aren't poisoned, that are really super nutrient dense, highly vibrational, enzyme rich, highly activated, anti-gravitational water, very pure, vibrating at a level of at least where you're at, or hopefully higher. What you're trying to do is find food that vibrates higher than you do. So that would be the fresh, high vibrational, living food of the earth that you can get your hands on as much as possible to raise your frequency up and to calibrate all the geometric patterns in your body. But everything gets so disorganized by the processing, the overcooking, and then you've got a society of sick people arguing about, I'm less sick than you are, instead of actually anyone ever really getting into those states of optimum, radiant, luminescent health. So let's just keep on keeping on and trying to get our blood clean. And then we want to be moderate and sober. And sobriety includes food, especially in this day and age. Part of being sober is not just alcohol and drugs and pharmaceutical drugs and porn and gambling and everything else under the sun, but sobriety also as being sober as we can with our food and using food as a medicine, which is what these green juices are. These green juices and juicing in general is a supplement. You know, it's a supplement to make up for so much of what is missing. And the more of the concentrated nutrients that the tissues have and the body systems have to work with, the better those detoxification pathways are going to work, the better those tissues are going to work, the better the microbiology, the better the brain, and the better the brain, which is the master computer system, the better the rest of the glands via the nervous system. So it's either, and this is what's happening, I mean, I'm actually on an upward trend. I always have been, but it's been slow and steady because I had to get rid of all the brainwashing from society. Now that I'm kind of this loner that can be as much of a weirdo as he wants without any wife getting down on me or anything like that about what I'm doing and all this, I can just do what I want, and then I can live according to the ancient principles and common sense, but it's not that common anymore. Kale is great for your teeth. Love it. Love it. Still working on this lemon ginger blast, baby. So that's 1 quart of the green stuff. I'm going to throw in a couple more pieces of kale. I'm saving the rest of that kale for my dinner, because it is damn good. Great for the teeth. Wanted to make 3 quarts, so you do that. Then you gotta do this. Could make it 2. Oh, it's way past 2. Somehow it went way past 2, so we're going to 3. All the way, baby. Boom. Cool. Now what you do, check it out. First thing you do is you take 8 cleanse in the morning. With citrus juice is really good, or any juice you got. Carrot, apple, ginger, green juice, whatever you want. You take 8 cleanse, and then your second meal, you take Pyrazyme and herbal blood with your second juice. And then if you want to have another juice, then you take your Puralife. And if you don't want to have another juice, you just take 8, 10, 12 Puralife and you just chew those up. They taste like candy. Okay? And that is the Core 4 from Pyrazyme. The 7-day reboot. The 7 days. Juice, juice, juice. That's a juice cleanse. Or juice, juice salad. Or juice, juice. You know, your favorite cooked meal or whatever. You know, depending on how quickly you want things to go. If you do juice with the Pyrazyme, it's going to be a lot quicker. You're going to just, you know, you're going to have to deal with more stuff, but whatever, right? Depends on where you're at. And that's the Core 4. And that's going to get you to the next level. It's real good. So, juice it up, ladies and gentlemen. Get juiced. Get jacked on juice. Get your high vibrations kicking. I drink so much juice, man. I'm hydrated. I'm motivated. I'm taking my paradigm. I'm living the lifestyle, baby. Sleep, exercise, sunlight, prayers, and meditation to Jehovah. Can you dig it? So, take care of yourself, man. I can make videos till the cows come home. But just get hydrated and stay motivated and get some exercise. Not too much, not too little. You know what I'm saying? Overwork, that'll put you down. Underwork, that'll keep you down. Get to bed on time. The earlier you go to bed, the better it is for your brain. Okay? And that's been my experience over and over and over again. So we got this. I got lids. And we calling it good, y'all. So thanks for watching this video and giving it a thumbs up and all that stuff. And I'm just trying to do my best. It's like, you know, there's a lot to this. I mean, we're talking 30 years. You know what I'm saying? And you can't fit it all in one video, although I'd like to, you know, to get people to get stoked and to be feeling better. Because when you get balanced and you're feeling better and you're feeling healthy, it's awesome, especially after a lifetime of struggle. And you're really coming out on the other end, just a very balanced, way better. You can fix your brain, you can fix your heart, you can fix your GI tract, and you can be really stable and have energy. It just takes some effort. You got to put in the time, and pretty soon these lifestyle habits like this, it's nothing. It's like second nature. It becomes part of your subconscious, and you're like, you just drink the juice and go. And you're feeling good and you're hydrated, you know. So when you're 50 years old and you still have a flat stomach, you're doing a good job, man. And the green juices keeps your hair from turning gray too, along with the enzymes. Because it's undigested gases that actually affect the ability for the nutrients to get to the hair follicles and stuff. A lack of circulation and these acid gases from undigested stuff. So you want to be a clean, burning machine. That's why the juices are kind of good, because you can just drink a juice and run oxygen throughout the day. So it's circulation. Again, I told you I could go on and on all day, you know, but I'm trying to keep these videos a little more, you know, compact to get some ideas, get you motivated, and then just keep you going on the journey, baby, because I'm very blessed. I love this job. I love the paradigm. I love the juicing. I love the living foods, the exercise, the sleep, the meditation. It's all based on just this love for truth, or love for God, if you will, or, you know, just life. Any word you want to use is fine with me. Just say some word. There's 10,000 names, and I'll say them all. I'll say them all. I'll sing all those names. I'll sing the praises of the Lord in any language, in any name, in any geographical location, in any universe. I will be singing the praises of the Lord. Okay? Whatever you call it. And whatever you call it, oh, I don't call it God. I'll call it what you want to call it. But we are going to have fun in the sun. We're going to dance. We're going to celebrate. We're going to give thanks to that. Whatever you call it. Allah. Whatever. The kingdom of heaven. Christ consciousness. You know. It's all the names, man, are awesome for me. And I don't argue with anyone about it because that's stupid. I just love. Right there. Bam. Love. What's your religion? Love. Well, then they want to argue. No, you don't want to argue, because that's not what it is at all. It's just like, it's your heart singing. It's your heart being grateful. You're like, I'm alive. It's so cool. Wow. You know, and sometimes it really sucks, but it's still cool. Right? 15 minutes. I'm out of here. I'm going to quit preaching. Can I get an amen, though? Can I get an amen in the comments down below? DTM. Peace.